Today I am taking apart this CD reader that's from a MacBook. I can put the link in the description for the MacBook video. It's from 2006, so let's see if I can. I think I have to pry this cover off. That might take a bit of effort. Okay, I almost got the cover off. But looks like in this corner it's stuck a bit. This little piece of metal right here. Steel. Okay, so let's see. The cover is aluminum, but if you look inside, there's a whole lot of different mechanisms and things that I can take out. So, where's this? Okay, where we go. There's a lot of screws in here. I didn't think there'd be so many, so this might be a long video. Okay, there we go. So this piece of metal right here, steel. I think steel goes for like 8 cents a pound or 7 or something like that. Okay. I may have to take the whole thing out. Looks like there's screws on the bottom. That could be a problem. Okay, there we go. It just came out. There's, I guess, at least 3 screws on the bottom. I'll go ahead and get those out. Okay, I'm also going to do these ones on the side, so then I can get the cover off. Well, this appears to be aluminum or stainless steel, so those both go. Well, aluminum is like 50 cents a pound, or 60 cents a pound, and stainless steel is like 30, so both of those are pretty good. They're both better than steel. Well, these screws don't want to come out, so I'll just do all the ones right here. Oh, I missed a few screws earlier. That's why this cover isn't coming off. pretty sure the cover was either stainless or aluminum. It wasn't magnetic, I don't believe. Oh, there we go. Right. It's not. I'm assuming there's a motor in here so the CD could turn, but I wouldn't know how to get to it easily just because there's so many screws. I don't have a hacksaw on me or a grinder, so I can't just grind through the aluminum and steel to get to the motor. Okay, well, this right here comes off. Steel. Okay, well, can get some of these screws out. Well, there's just so many screws. That's why it's taking so long. Now I should be able to take off some stuff. Maybe not. I feel like whenever something's taken off, it just reveals more screws or other stuff. Okay, there's a motor right there. I think that's one right there too. Oh, you probably can't see that. This one right here where this bar is, there's a motor, and then that right there might be a motor, so motors that look like that, I don't know how to scrap yet. Screws won't come out. Well, I may just have to rip this piece off. Maybe. Yeah. for sure. It's very light. Okay, so it's gonna take a long time to pick up all these screws since they're so small. Well, as long as they don't fall on the floor, I suppose it won't be such a big deal. I can just use them as a magnet. Oh, this moves up and down. It's like there's like some sort of photo sensor maybe. This feels like aluminum. It is. Okay. Looks like there's some copper right there, so should be able to pry that out. Okay, right there it looks like there's a small bit of copper. It's not worth going for, just because of the small quantity and encased in plastic and stuff. Okay, so this right here wouldn't surprise me if it had a motor because it moves like that, but I don't see how I'm getting that out right now. So looks like I'm gonna have to unscrew more screws. Well, oh, here's a screw. Okay, should be able to pop off that cover. Oh, here's a motor. And then some gears. So the motor should just, oh, there's a screw. Okay, so motor. And then this is probably, yeah, that's steel. So I'll go over there. There's a lot of stuff I don't know how to get off because there's these 3 screws right here, but unless it gets easier to get them off, I don't know that I'm going to get them off. They're still very tight, or maybe I need a different size. Yeah, I think it's just the size maybe. No, I don't know. I don't want to make y'all wait much longer, but so this right here's a large IC chip or microprocessor, and there's one right there too. I'm assuming. Okay, so this is all steel right there. So that's not really worth going for in my opinion, but the motor right there, I would go for. And then the rest you can just do, I don't know. If your scrapyard does shred, you can put in shred. Other than that, there's really nothing there to get. So I'm gonna end the video here.